Hey, so I'm just going to quickly run through the call out. So we've got some footage here and we wanted to add a call out. When you get your download, you'll get this After Effects project. We can just drag it into our project and then we'll open it up and we want the call out comp. And we can drag that over the top and then we'll have the call out. So in terms of customization, if you open it up and then go into the essential properties, there's two separate groups, one for the highlight, which is the square here, and then one for the text, which is obviously the text. So if we start with the highlight, you'll have a point, and that is the point of this, and you'll notice that the text flips depending on where the point is. So let's kind of select that little bit there. The next one is you can have a square or a circle. We'll keep it a square for now, and you can change the size so we can make it bigger or smaller. Fill, in this case we want it off because we want to kind of highlight that little jack. Color, we'll keep it as white for now. Stroke width, so we can make it thick or thinner. But yeah, 5 seems pretty good. And then an elbow, so the elbow is currently off, so if I put that on, you'll see it creates this elbow here. We'll leave that on for now and then go down to the text options, and this is the text location. So we can kind of create a nice kind of pull out to that there. Text color again, text background on or off. I'm going to keep that off because we've got this nice black bit here anyway. And then to change the text, we can right click on the text and edit the value. So I'm just going to put 3.5 mil jack socket. Okay, boom, there we go. And we now have the animation for that. So these blue bits will stay the same. So if we want to stay on screen longer, we can simply drag this and it will stay longer before kind of animating away. So we're going to have it start to animate away about there. So that's where the start of the blue is going to be. And all these properties are keyframeable, so we can add stopwatch here to animate these. So that will be useful for doing things like tracking. So if we wanted to do this now with tracking, with the motion tracking, we can create a new null, which I've created here. Where we're going to put our track data, then we can select the video, find our tracker. We want the motion source to be in the video. We are only going to do transform. So we're just going to need one tracker. I've kind of laid this out on the jack. And the target is going to be this null. Then we can analyze forward. And we just need to wait for it to get about 6 seconds there. Because then this is disappeared anyway. Cool. And then we can apply that to this null. We want X and Y. And now we have this null that follows target. So now we can get the position of this, which is now I've got the keyframe data from the tracker. We can just make the highlight point pick whip to that position. So now it follows the earpiece. I think the tracking got a bit lost near the end, but I think it's okay for our purposes. So now when you play it, the highlight follows the end. and everything else kind of animates in between as well. So the text will stay perfectly there, nice and clean. Yeah, cheers. Thanks for watching.